job that I've been meaning to do for a short while now in spring is this tidy up of the hydrangea. Now I have given this a prune in the past, and you can see by its shape that I've been training it. Just before I get started, if we just come a bit closer, you can see that there was a main leader stem here in the middle which I'd got rid of in a previous season, and in actual fact I'm just getting under here. I'm going to take this one out. It serves no purpose, and it also helps clear the middle a little bit more. And the reason why you want to clear the middle is that you want to create better airflow. So the approach to pruning is not too dissimilar to the way in which I demonstrated on the video on how to prune a hardy fuchsia. You want to get rid of any old stems like these ones, which would probably eventually break off, but it doesn't hurt just to give the plant a little bit of a tidy up. And ideally any crossing branches should be removed. So I'm going to just have a look while I get on with this and see if I can spot any. But the key thing to remember is these new forming buds, these need to be left alone, otherwise you're not going to get much in the way of flowering this season. So you can see how we just basically make our way through and give this a bit of a tidy up. It's just to maintain a little bit of upkeeping really, and ensuring that the hydrangea is at its best. As I say, this isn't the same approach as you would take to winter pruning. This is just a top up spring pruning and removing any dead twigs. See if there's any crossing branches. Now we just look over here, we can see that this branch is crossing with this one here. Now I'm actually going to remove that one, because if anything, in a bit of wind, it's going to cause it to rub against the other branch and cause damage and potentially expose it to a bit of infection from a wound. So you don't want that to be something that could impact the overall health of the plant. Now, as I said earlier, the whole idea of this top up trimming and pruning is just to give the plant a bit of an inspection, a bit of a tidy up, and getting it ready for the flowering season. So that's pruning of hydrangea, getting it ready for a fantastic bloom. Hope you've found that useful, and do hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't done so. Thanks a lot.